The Northeast Students Organization NESO staged a sit-in protest in Guwahati's Digali Pukri on Monday, demanding the detection and deportation of illegal Bangladeshi immigrants from the Northeast and exemption of the region from the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA. Addressing the protest, NESO Chief Advisor Samojal Kumar Bhattacharya said that the Northeast wide protest is to press the government to detect and deport all illegal Bangladeshis from the region. It is a threat to the identity, language, cultural and existence of the indigenous people. They have seen the fate of Tripura and Assam too has suffered due to non-implementation of the Assam Accord. Bhattacharya alleged that the illegal settlers had encroached on tribal belts, forests and other protected lands, altering Assam's demographic pattern. He added that the Prime Minister's recent remarks on demographic changes in the border states reflect a late realization of a long-standing problem.
See, at the ages of Northeast Student Organization, today it's a Northeast-wide protest to put pressure on the government to detect and deport all illegal Bangladeshis who are residing in the Northeastern region. All illegal Bangladeshis must be detected and they must be deported. It's a Northeast-wide protest. It's a Northeast-wide row. And we like to tell the central government, awake and listen to the voice of the indigenous people of Northeastern region. Today in the country, 7 states is rowing. 7 states is demanding that all illegal Bangladeshis must be deported from the soil of Northeastern region. Because it's a threat to the identity of the indigenous people of Northeastern region. We have seen the fate in Tripura. In Tripura, 40 lakhs is the population, and out of 40 lakhs, 15 lakhs is the indigenous people of Tripura. They are fighting hard to protect their language, culture and identity. And we have seen the fate in Assam. In last 46 years, indigenous people of Assam is shouting 6 years long agitation and after this Assam Accord. So, due to non-implementation of the Assam Accord, the situation of Assam has worsened. Illegal foreigners are there in the tribal belts and blocks. They have encroached the lands of Satras. They have encroached the lands of forest. And the whole demographic pattern of Assam has changed. And what next? Now illegal Bangladeshis are entering into other states of the Northeastern region. And for that, it's a Northeast-wide protest. And see, the Honorable Prime Minister of the country, on 15th of August, he has said that demographic pattern of the states neighboring the international border has changed. And he has said that there will be demographic mission. So it's a late realization on the part of the Honorable Prime Minister, because the indigenous people of Assam is shouting for, fighting for last 46 years. And we have seen the fate in Tripura and other parts of the Northeastern region. We know that illegal Bangladeshis are here. It's a threat to the identity of the indigenous people. The demographic pattern of Assam has changed. But it's a late realization on the part of the Honorable Prime Minister. So we want action from the Prime Minister. What will be the action? What is the action? And action should be very clear. Number one, in case of Assam, there should be a time-bound action plan to implement Assam Accord to solve this vexed national problem. That is number one. All illegal Bangladeshis must be detected and they must be deported from the soil of Northeastern region. The Indo-Bangla border must be sealed in a war-footing manner. There should be shoot and sight order in the Indo-Bangla border. There should be a Northeast-wide NRC. In case of Assam, the NRC should be updated so that all illegal Bangladeshi name must be deleted from the NRC. There must be a constitutional safeguard for the indigenous people of Assam and Tripura. In case of Assam, the report of the Justice Biplab Sharma committee must be implemented, and there must be some special operation against fundamentalist groups and illegal Bangladeshis residing in Northeast, because along with Bangladeshis, fundamentalist groups are residing in Northeast. It's a transit route and transit camp for the fundamentalist groups. So what is the action on the part of the state government and central government? There must be a special operation against fundamentalist groups and illegal Bangladeshis, and there must be effective steps so that all fundamentalist groups and Bangladeshis can be evicted from the soil of Northeastern region. And one more important thing, the Assam and other parts of Northeast must be exempted from the purview of CA, because there is no CA in 4 states of Northeast. In Mizoram, in Nagaland, in Manipur, in Arunachal, there is no CA. In Meghalaya, in 98% areas there is no car. In Tripura, in 70% areas there is no car. In Assam, out of 35 districts, in 8 districts there is no car. So Assam is badly affected because in 27 districts CI is applicable. So if the CAI is bad for the other parts of Northeast region, if CAI is bad for the 8 districts of Assam, why the other parts of the Assam should be suffered? So the Assam and other parts of Northeast should be exempted from the purview of CAI. And this movement will continue because today in our country, 7 states is demanding that all Bangladeshis must be deported from the soil of Northeast, from the soil of India.
NESO demanded a time-bound action plan for full implementation of the Assam Accord sealing of the Indo-Bangladesh border and Northeast White National Register of Citizens (NRC) and the constitutional safeguards for the indigenous communities. It also called for the special operations against fundamentalist groups and illegal immigrants in the region. The Bhattacharya warned that the agitation would continue until the centre takes concrete steps to address the concerns of the indigenous people of the Northeast.